So this video is of my first dive in Cozumel. I'm using my new GoPro Hero 13 with a wide-angle lens that attaches to it, so I'm getting this much greater field of view, and I am really impressed by this. I'm going to have to make a comparison video showing my old GoPro videos compared to this one, because the view on this is just terrific. It was the wide-angle lens that I ordered from a company called Backscatter, and I will link them in the description below. But I got a new wide-angle lens and a new macro lens to start filming things up close with. So this is my first dive with the new lens, so I am getting some practice on it. So if you do see a little bit of unsteadiness or a little bit of shakiness, it's because I'm just starting to learn how to use this new camera with this new lens. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the dive. Watch the video. Got some nice stuff coming up, pretty coral, so I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Alright, bye. And here are a couple of stoplight parrotfish. You've got one juvenile right here, and then there's the adult, a more mature parrotfish swimming right by there. Those are basically the same species, just different colors. And there was a swim through right there, and I did think about it, but with my new camera and everything in there, I decided to go over it.